The GDP deflator is a price index used to convert nominal GDP to real GDP. The GDP deflator is calculated by taking your nominal GDP, dividing it by your real GDP, and multiplying it by 100. Now, if you're giving other data and you need to calculate your real GDP, you're going to take your nominal GDP, divide it by your price deflator, and multiply it by 100. As you can see in the chart on the right, the year 2020 has a nominal GDP of $900 million. The real GDP is $900 million. The deflator is 100. This is our base year. Our base year is the year that we are comparing all our other years to. For 2021 and 2022, the nominal GDP was given. We calculated the real GDP, and you can see that what the deflator is. You can also, if you're given any of the two numbers, you can calculate the third. Let's look at this practice problem. So we have country X and we're given a table of data. We're given nominal GDP and we're given the GDP deflator, and we're going to have to calculate the real GDP for each year. But first of all, question A, which year is the base year? The base year is 2016. We know that because the GDP deflator is equal to 100. So that means that we're comparing all the other years to 2016 to calculate if there was inflation, disinflation, or deflation. Question B, calculate real GDP for each year. Real GDP is equal to nominal GDP divided by the deflator multiplied by 100s. So you can see the calculations made and the chart is filled in. Question C, for which year is real GDP equal to nominal GDP, and why? That is 2016. Nominal GDP is $20.5 million and real GDP is $20.5 million, which makes the deflator 100. That is the year that we are comparing everything else to. And question D, how do you explain the increase in nominal GDP for any year with a decrease in real GDP? Let's look at the table. 2015 to 2016, increase in nominal GDP, increase in real GDP. 2016 to 2017, increase in nominal GDP, increase in real GDP. 2017 to 2018, increase in nominal GDP, yet there's a decrease in real GDP. How do we explain that? We explain it that the reason why the real GDP did not increase as did nominal GDP is due to inflation that took place in the year between 2017 and 2018.